So dear students, in our last section we have seen what are the clustering strategies, that is hierarchical and point assignment. Now we will see the ways of achieving the clustering. So generally it is divided into two parts, that is exclusive clustering and overlapping clustering. So in exclusive clustering, item belongs to exclusive cluster. As its name implies, the item belongs to the particular cluster or exclusive cluster. Means we can say that in this the item belongs to one cluster, not to several. It does not belong to several cluster. So you can see that the data belonging, if we have seen in this particular example, this is the diagram of exclusive clustering, that item belongs to one particular cluster and it does not belong to another cluster, and that's why it is called as the exclusive clustering. Why? Because these are nothing but the data points, or we can say they are nothing but the items. So these items belongs to exclusive cluster. We can see these clusters, these data points belong to these clusters and these data point belongs to this cluster. Means they does not belong to each other, rather they belong to one particular cluster. We can see they belong to one particular cluster, like these are data points that are dedicated to this exclusively, and these are the data points that are dedicated to this only, and that's why it is called as the exclusive clustering. The next one is the overlapping clustering. So as its name implies, it's overlapping. Overlapping means the item may belong to various clusters, है ना? It will not belong to one particular cluster, but item belongs to multiple clusters. So we can say that whenever this item belongs to multiple clusters, so the degree of association among each cluster will be different. So the degree of association among each cluster will be different. So we can see in this particular example, now these are the data points belongs to this cluster, these are the items or data points belongs to this cluster, and see this particular area where the data points belongs to this cluster as well as this cluster. Means the data point belongs to multiple clusters, and as we can see they are in the overlapping nature, and that's why it is called as the overlapping clustering. So these are the basic clustering, we can say, that is exclusive clustering and overlapping clustering. In exclusive clustering, the item belongs to dedicatedly that exclusive cluster, and in overlapping clustering the item belongs to multiple cluster. And we have seen hierarchical clustering also, where the partitions come up with the final clusters. So whenever we are implementing any algorithm, the important parameter which are considered for results are speed and efficiency. So that's why according to the need of that particular data set and outcome, the clustering is used. So in this section we have seen what is exclusive clustering and overlapping clustering. In our next section we will see what is the partitioning clustering. Thank you.